Hello YouTube and welcome to my workshop.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And
Almost finished, as you can see. I'm sure you'd rather see it than my ugly bug, but it turned out really nice. Just like the other one I made last week, it was green. This one's got the purple colors, purple and white colors. I really like that combination.